Hello. Yeah, this is the drone I bought on geek.com. Yeah, and since I received the drone, it doesn't work. This is what I got. When I press the power light, the green blue light comes on underneath, and there's nothing at all. And then when I press it, also there's a little red light here and a little red light here. Right? And it doesn't comes on at all. Nothing works. And it's been happening like this for ever since I got it. Yeah, so this is the main problem which I have, and I would like to know what is the solution for it. All right, as I said again, when I press the power button, I press it, even though I hold it for a while, it doesn't come on, and then this light comes on, and when I let go, it's off. Nothing at all works. All right, the remote, which is here, this works very fine. It comes on. Yep, it comes on. As you can see, there's a little light blinking and so on. Yeah. When I put the battery to charge, yeah, with the battery cable, there's no light appears on it or comes on to charge the battery. All right, and that is the problem I do have with the drone which I get. I'm happy to receive it. It was a fast delivery, but doesn't work. Thank you.